Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about one of the best meme coin, a meme coin that turned into a currency. But let me remind you guys that this is not a financial advice, so always do your own research and this is for entertainment only. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it guys. Okay guys, so right now we are into the Dogecoin websites. In the website, you can find what is Dogecoin. So, an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. So, at its heart, Dogecoin is the accidental crypto movement that makes people smile. So, how to get started on this? So, choose your wallet, configure your wallet, and get some Dogecoin. To configure your wallet, there's a guide here. You just click on here, and then the guide will appear here, and you can follow this instruction to have the wallet and then buy and get your Dogecoin, guys. Okay? So, do only good every day. So, the Dogecoin community cares about supporting each other. So, one of the best community of a meme coin. This is the Dogecoin, guys. A whale holds nearly 30% of the Dogecoin supply. Is this true? A common source of FUD surrounding Dogecoin is the claim that certain wallets holding a large percentage of the supply are owned by private investor or so-called whales. Wow. So in reality, many of the top Dogecoin wallets are cold wallets or hot wallets controlled by what? Common source or FUD to those accustomed to blockchain analysis. Many of those wallets appears a wallet managed by trading platforms as they exhibit patterns of activity and volume that were typically a crypto exchange or brokerage. Okay, so the Dogecoin has no utility or no use at all. This is just a token, guys. Can you put a cap on a Dogecoin? So right now and for the next 100 years or so, Dogecoin operates like and will continue to operate like most other crypto assets. So Dogecoin does not need to coin burning marketing mechanisms that new tokens and other chains have attempted to implement to artificially inflate their prices. Simplest. Okay? So, Dogecoin, also, yes, it has no developers. And it always has. So, Dogecoin's primary purpose has always been to be used as a currency. Billy Markus, co-creator of Dogecoin with Jackson Palmer, acted as a solo developer for the first Dogecoin released in 2014. Billy and Jackson left Dogecoin. Okay? So, foundation. Learn more about their foundation here. And then blog, stay up to date with the blog post from foundation developer and announcement and IPFAQs, guys. Okay, so this is the Dogecoin. And Dogeton, they also have a Dogeton here. Some games that you can or event that you can join. Erisha, Portugal, date on July 24, 2025. And then this is the close and very success in Victoria, Australia, dated on November 15, 2022, guys. Okay? So, Match Wallet. So, let's check the wallet. So, this is the current wallet available on getting or holding a Dogecoins, guys. So, Garda Wallet, Coin Wallet, Exodus Store Wallet, a Dogechain, So Dogetip, and Shapeshift, a Ledger, and Trezor, guys. Okay? I think that's all about this Dogecoin, and if you want this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. Again, this is not a financial advice, or always do your own research. Bye-bye.